Shenzhen YiChong Opto-Elect Technology Company Limited has rich experience of PET, PIC, and TPU screen protector. Nanoedge and Nanoshield is our brand. Keeping close pace with fashion and abreast of market trends, Nanoedge and Nanoshield has been active in the high-end market of screen protectors, which also becomes the first manufacturer to update materials and models. YiChong is committed to the research, production, marketing, and service of screen protectors. Our company has obtained outstanding achievement and enlarged our scale gradually. Due to furious competition, our company takes modernized management and introduces high-tech talents and advanced equipment. We're one of the largest manufacturing screen protector industry in China. We devote to the update of styles and models and the reduction of production cost and strive to keep the quality. Professional quality check team help us ensure the product's quality. Reasonable price and good service help us open more market and gain more customers. We have obtained relevant TUV and SGS enterprise and relevant product certifications. We have participated in Hong Kong consumer electronics exhibitions for many years and hope our service will help you save time and go along with the market trend. If you're interested in some of our products, please feel free to visit our website or contact us for getting more information. We are looking forward to establish long-lasting business relationship with you in the near future.